In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze columns in Microsoft Project. If you've been looking for a freeze panes button like the one in Excel, here's the key takeaway up front. Microsoft Project, in its desktop versions, doesn't include a true freeze panes feature. That means you can't lock arbitrary columns on the left while you scroll to the right. There's no view menu option for this, and the behavior isn't the same as Excel. Knowing that helps set the right expectations before you spend time hunting for a setting that isn't there. What does stay put is the ID column, those task numbers on the far left. In most views, that column is fixed by default, so you can always keep track of the task line you're on, even when you pan horizontally. It's small, but it's useful as an anchor. If you want to keep a particular field in sight more often, the simplest tactic is to move that column closer to the left edge. Click the column header you care about, then drag it toward the left until you see the placement indicator, and release. Putting important fields like task name, start, or finish near the left reduces the amount of scrolling you need, even though they won't remain frozen as you move right. When you really need a locked feel, consider using split windows. You can open a second window of the same project from the View tab by choosing Window and selecting New Window. Arrange the two windows side by side so one shows the leftmost columns you always want to see, and the other can scroll independently to the right for details. This setup isn't technically freezing, but functionally, it lets you monitor key fields while exploring other data. Another helpful workaround is to create a custom field that consolidates the information you most often need together. For example, if you always want to see the ID alongside the task name, create a custom text field that combines those values and place that new field as the first column. By grouping essential details into one column, you keep your focus information visible without relying on a freeze feature. To recap, Microsoft Project doesn't support freezing arbitrary columns, but the ID column is fixed, and you can improve visibility by moving critical fields left, using split windows for a dual-pane experience, and creating a custom combined field to keep key information front and center. With these approaches, you can navigate large schedules more comfortably and stay oriented as you work.